Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to speed up video in CapCut. You just have to simply go to CapCut app and I will already put the video. You will any random video you can put in CapCut. So just simply in the half session of some part of you will be splitted, and so you have to just click to split next one part and click to curve. So there are the options, so I will select it one montage, so it will be speed up of the video. You will see the video is going to be speed up, and also I will select the next one of this. So I will select it hero, so it will also and another speed of video editing. So you will also customize. So you will once customize, you will any point you can up it, so it will be speed up, and in the down it, so it will be slower. So I will up it. You see that this part of it will be speed and other ones are normal. So I will put up, so you I will play it, so it will be speed up, and it is for normal, and again it for speed up and it's for normal. So this is how to speed up in CapCut. I will play from the start. So I will play from the start. So let's see. It will speed and normal. This is how to speed up in CapCut. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.